question number 2. So in the question number 2, you have to find the values of a and b. Okay, so a and b you have to find out, and in the question it's given like 2x plus 3y equals to 7, and this is the first equation, and another equation is a minus bx plus a plus by equals to 3a plus b minus 2. So this is the equation. These two equations we have to find out the values of a and b in such a way that they are having infinite number of solutions. Okay, so they are like having many solutions. I'm asking only. So a1 by a2 equals to a2 by b1 by b2.
a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to 7.
So this is the condition for the two equations having many solutions, right? So we will use this same thing in this equation also. So here you will see this 2 is your a1. Okay, so and a2 is a minus b, then b1 is 3 and b2 is a plus b, c1 is 7 and c2 is 3a plus b minus 2, right? So according to this, if these two equations are having many solutions, then you can say that these ratios will be equal. Okay, now you can't solve the two equals together, so what we will do, first we will take the first two together. So you can take 2 divided by a minus b equals to 3 divided by a plus b. So you will cross multiply and you will get the equation for a and b, right? And then you can take another equation. So the another equation can be either you can take this 3 by a plus b with the 7 by 3a plus b minus 2, or either if you want you can take this 2 by a minus b equals to this one. So it's your wish. Okay, so for solving a equation with two variables you need two equations, that's why we are taking these two. Up to this is clear to everyone?
Yes.
So now we'll simplify it. Yeah. Okay, so 2a plus 2b will be equals to 3a minus 3b. So from here you can simplify, so you will get 5b minus a equals to 0, right? And the other equation you will get, this equation will be 9a plus 3b minus 6 equals to 7a plus 7b. So if I'll do something wrong, then correct me. Okay, so 9a minus 7a will be 2a, and 3b minus 7b minus 4b equals to 6. And you can also simplify it, so it will be a minus 2b equals to 3, right? Is it okay, class?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is your equation number 2. Now you can solve these two equations to get the values of a and b. So you can see you can add these two equations 1 and 2, and a will cancel, so you will just get b, right? So adding 1 and 2, if you add 1 and 2, so you will get 5b minus a plus a minus 2b equals to 3. So a will cancel, so you'll get 3b equals to b 3 and b will be 1, and your a will be 5, right? A is 5b, so you can put the value here for b, so a will be 5. So from this equation we got the values of a and b, so a is 5 and b is 1. That's your answer. 1000. Okay, so for 20 days the student was charged rupees 1000 rupees. Okay, so like fixed charge will be same, it doesn't depend on number of days, so the fixed charge will be x. Now for food, she is taking the food for 20 days, so the charge for the food will be 20 into y. Okay, Anitanshu, and that is equals to 1000 rupees. So that will give you equation number 1. Now another student B, who takes the food for 26 days, he pays 1180 as the hostel charge. So for 26 days, charge is rupees 1180. So for this you can make another equation. So fixed charge will be x only, and for 26 days the food charge will be 26y, and that is equals to 1180. And now you can solve these two equations to get the value of x and y. So it's you will see the coefficients of x are same, so you can use the elimination method. So you can subtract all the equations, so you will get the values of x and y. So here you will get 6y equals to 180. So y will come 30 rupees. And then you can find out the value of x just by substituting these values in any of the equation. Okay, Anitanshu?
Yes, means yeah, yeah.
Hmm?
Means only I am this.
Yeah, only you are the good student. Na? So you will get 400. So 400 is the fixed charge, and charge for the food per day is 30 rupees. So it's talking about fraction. So let the fraction be equals to x by y, right? Okay, Anitanshu.
Yes.
Now, according to the question, it says when 1 is subtracted from the numerator. Okay, so according to the question, 1 is subtracted from
Numerator.
the numerator, right? So what will happen if we subtract 1 from the numerator? So it will become x minus.
Means doing means
Okay, so the fraction becomes 1 by 4 if 8 is added to the denominator. So it will be y divided by x divided by y plus 8 equals to 1 by 4. So 4x equals to y plus 8, and 4x minus y equals to 8, and then you can solve these two equations to get the values of x and y. Now any answer I think you can do?
yes.
Done. Okay, so in fourth 4, the question says there are two places A and B. Okay, uh, and the places A and B are 100 kilometer apart. One car starts from A and another starts from B at the same time. So one is starting from A and one is starting from B, and both at the same time. If the car travels in the same directions at different speed. So if they are moving in the same direction, let's say the car from A is moving in this direction, so B also, the car will move in the same direction. Now they meet in 5 hours. So if they are moving in the same direction, they meet in 5 hours. Now if they travel towards each other, so if they are traveling towards each other means they are moving in the opposite direction like this. Okay, so in this case they are meeting each other at in 1 hour. So the question you're getting now. So this is the question. So now you have to find out the speed of both the two cars. So in these type of questions, we have to take the relative speed. So let the speed of car A equals to x and speed of B equals to y kilometer per hour. So now you see one thing, when the cars are moving in the same direction, so you will see the distance between them will keep on decreasing. Like if car A will move more faster, so you will see the distance between these two will become more like less. So in that case we will take the relative speed as x minus y. Okay, if they are moving in the like same direction, in that time you can take the speed as x minus y, so that will be the relative speed. And if they are moving in opposite direction, so we will take the distance as x plus y. So you will see in the beginning the distance will decrease, but once they will meet, after that what will happen, like the distance between these two cars will keep on increasing. So that time the relative speed you can take as x plus y. Is it clear?
Yes.
Aditi was asking this question. Who was asking this question? Is it clear to you?
So in the second case, we are considering the adding the distance of both the car A and B as they're moving in opposite directions. So
The speed we are adding. Speed. Actually, we are adding the speeds. Okay. So the relative speed we will add.
it's moving in same direction, so we are subtracting that distance.
Yeah. If moving in same direction. then you can take the speed as x minus y. Okay, so in that case, you know that speed into time will give you the distance, right? This formula you have learned. So what we'll do, you know the distance is here 100, so 100 is equals to speed is x minus y, and the time taken is 5 hours, right? So this will give you the first equation. This one is clear?
Yes.
Now for the second one, so same thing you can write here, like if moving in opposite direction. So if they are moving in opposite direction, so that time the speed, what you will take the speed will be x plus y. So we will use the same formula, so the distance is same 100. So the speed is x plus y and the time taken is 1 hour. In 1 hour they are meeting. So now you will solve these two equations to get the values of x and y. So x minus y you will get as 20. This, if you simplify, so you will get 20 equals to x minus y. And the next equation is x plus y equals to 100. So you can simplify and you will get the answer. So 2x will be 120 and x will be 60. So y will come out 40. Okay, so see this question number 1, first part of first question. So here you'll see the equations are in the form of 1 by 2x, like x and y are in the denominator. Okay, so in this case, if you try to take the LCM, it will become very complex. So what you can do, take this 1 by x as some other variable. So what I'll take here, let 1 by x equals to u and 1 by y as v. Okay, so your the equation, so first equation will reduce to u by 2. And one more thing, you have to remember that don't take that 2 also in the numerator. So 2 will remain at the same place in the denominator only the 1 by x we have taken as u. And the same thing here, this will be v by 3. This is clear, class?
Yeah, me.
Okay. And the same way here again, for the second equation, 1 by x will be your u, so u by 3 you will get, and then 1 by y, so it will be v by 2 equals to 13 by 6. So this is your equation number 2. So all these questions which you have in question number 1, all parts, you have to follow this thing. Okay, now you can simplify. So you can multiply this first equation with 6, so it will become easy to calculate, or you can solve it in this way as well. So I'm just multiplying with 6 to both the equations, then I'll get 3u plus 2v equals to 12, right? Then my second equation will become 2u plus 3v equals to 13. Now we can simplify these two equations. So you can use any method to solve this. So which one is your favorite? Like which one you like to do? Cross multiply? Huh?
Substituting method.
Substitution method. Okay, so for substitution, so I'll take a value from this one. So 3u can be written as 12 minus 2v. So from the first equation, you will get u equals to 12 minus 2v by 3. So you can put this, putting in equation 2. In these questions, it's not mentioned, so which one to use, so you can use any one. So we'll get here this. So I'm multiplying with 3 in each side, so you'll get 24 minus 4v plus 9v equals to 13, 339. So from here you'll get 5v equals to 39 minus 24, 15. So will be 3. So v is coming 3. Now you can put the yes. Now you can find the u. So u will be 12 minus 6 by 3. 6 by 3 you will get 2. So u is coming 2 and v is coming 3. So almost some of the students, they will just leave it here. So you don't have to leave it here. Then you have
Done.
Okay, good. So u is coming 2, but u was 1 by x, right? So 1 by x is 2. So that means your value of x will be 1 by 2. So this is also important step that you have to do. Then v is coming 3. That means 1 by y is coming 3. So that will give you y equals to 1 by 3. So this is the answer. Y equals to 1 by 3 and x equals to 1 by